Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the garden today and it's Christmas Eve and we're looking at getting some potatoes for our Christmas dinner. And 3 months ago I planted some potatoes in a bag and in a flower pot. We put some holes in the bottom of this flower pot to allow some good drainage. So we're going to have a look and see if we've got any potatoes for our Christmas dinner. So let's see. So we used this flower pot. We filled it with a low level of compost, and then we put 3 or 4 potatoes in a large container, and then we covered it up. We kept it in the greenhouse. We did have it out during this last cold weather, so it's kind of killed off all the shrubbery, and we've actually collected quite a bit of leaves. So I'm just going to chuck all these leaves onto the compost bin. We also did a similar project in the compost bag that the compost came in, and you can see this has gathered some leaves as well. So I'm going to have a look and see what we got. So I think we're just going to go straight out, tip it up and see what we got. Here we go. So in case we get anything, we'll have a look. Oh, there's one. There we go. There's a couple on top here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's like the old seed potato. Another one here, that's looking good. Yeah, we're getting a few here. Any more? Where's that? Oh, another one. Another one. So I think these were either Charlotte's or Jazzy. I found these on top of the wardrobe. And we planted them around August time, ready for our Christmas. Oh, some little tiny ones. So I have to check back and have a look and see how we planted these. Oh, another one. Oh, that's looking good. That's about it now. Any more? So these were left in the greenhouse. And pretty much forgotten about. Yeah, I think that's all. So that's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to put that back into the container. We'll have a look and see if there's any in this bag. That's quite good. Quite pleased with that. There we go. So let's have a look in this bag and see if we got. I might need a new container. Let's find another container. Let's have a look and see what we got. So this was a bag, compost bag. We turned it inside out, drilled a few holes in there. There we go. Let's dump this out and see what we got. Oh, that's a nice big one. Couple of little ones. Oh, doesn't look so much on this one. Oh, there we go. Little one. Oh, tiny, tiny. Oh. There we go. Wow. That might be it. Oh, there's a couple more. Little one. There we go. Wow. I think that's about it. No, that's it. Well, there we go. So that is from the bag, and that is from the bucket. And I would say that's quite good for Christmas potatoes, and that will do just the job. So I'm very pleased. Very pleased. So I haven't managed to get to the allotment. I was hoping to go down today. Might still get a chance to go down there. I was hoping to pick up some parsnips, and I've got some potatoes in the ground, some main crop. I might get down there, but the weather's looking decidedly cloudy. We've just had a bit of a downpour, so I'm not quite sure we're going to get down there. But we're quite pleased with our potatoes, so that's a real bonus. That's a real bonus. So I'd just like to thank everybody for watching my videos and commenting, liking and subscribing, and that is absolutely wonderful. And I'd like to wish everybody a happy Christmas and a happy New Year or a happy holiday, and hopefully we'll see you in the new year and we can start growing. Looking forward to the next season already. Already got some plans of the new allotment. Looking forward to doing that and the plans that we're going to do for that. So I need to get down there one day after Christmas and make some more plans. We like plans. Thanks for the comment that says they they like my plans. Always plans. Never will get round to doing half of them, but still. So anyway, thank you very much. Have a good Christmas, and I'll see you next year. Thank you very much. Cheers.